Hello, fellow translators. Today I'm talking to you about a scam that's being perpetuated all over the translation industry. And it's something that you've probably come across, or you definitely will come across if you haven't yet. And quite frankly, I just think it's a complete scam that translation agencies are pulling over on all the translators. And I say this as, someone who is a translator, but also now runs his own agency. And I can tell you, I don't know. I just think it's a scam. And so I wrote something on it. I wrote an article, which I'm going to read off of now. And obviously I'll link to the article because there's some images in there that I think help a lot. But I just wanted to read at least the first part. I'll see how far I get and talk about this scam that's going on. And so the title of the article is Cat Scam. Catchy, huh? Cat Scam, How Cat Tools Are Being Used by Agencies to Cheat Translators. And here, let's see if I can read this. So I'll just start reading then. So let me get one thing straight. By and large, most CAT tools are excellent, and they can be a big help to translators. Many CAT tools may be expensive, and there's certainly issues with many of them, especially when it comes to compatibility. But all in all, they provide a good service helping translators. Having said that, certain translation agencies are currently using CAT tools in a way which, to be frank, should be illegal. Let's see how. Now, a freelance translator will purchase a CAT tool in order to assist with translation jobs. If you've ever shopped around for CAT tool, you know it can be a considerable expense. Here are some of the prices as of this writing. STL Trader Studio Professional single user is $2,895. STL Trader Studio Freelance is $845. Neither of these, by the way, are compatible with a Mac. MemoQ Translator Pro is $770. WordFast Classic is $460. However, STL Trader Studio is by far the most popular CAT tool on the market. And those are the prices that you'll be paying for that. Of course, the justification for these prices is that over time, they will save the translator money, since they will make translation jobs easier and quicker. Here's where the problem arises. Many translation agencies, knowing you are using a CAT tool or insisting on you using a CAT tool, will pay a discounted rate depending on repetitions. So here's some examples taken from real agencies, and here's where I have the images of some examples showing how they pay 10% for 100% matches and repetitions. Another one pays 10% for repetitions, 20% for 100 matches, etc., etc. And there's a whole scale of how much they pay, 25 for 95% matches, etc., etc. In other words, if there are repetitions, you may get paid nothing at all, and you may get paid only 10% of your rate for full 100% matches. Remember, these are texts you still need to go over and review, especially since they are not guaranteed to be correct. CAT tools are by no means fallible, and remember, the initial translated text was created by a human who may have performed a less than stellar translation. So this text may be riddled with errors that must be corrected by you, the translator, working on the file, and once again for only 10% of your rate, or possibly for nothing. And then I do an analysis of a specific job, and there too I have a chart, so I won't go into it, but basically it shows how over 50% of this one translation job was repetitions and cross-file repetitions, which pay 10% of the rate. And let me skip over here. Keep in mind that translation agencies aren't providing similar discounts to their end clients. So in essence, while translators like you are paying for the CAT tool, translation agencies are reaping all the benefits. You'd be hard-pressed to find another industry where this is allowed to occur. I mean, try telling a lawyer that since the contract he is drafting for you is pretty standard, you'll only pay for the instances where your name has been added. For the rest, you'll only pay 10% of the fee. Or try telling a hairdresser that since you want the same haircut as the person next to you, you will only pay 10% of the price, since it's a repetition anyway. And yet, for some reason, this is accepted without question when translation agencies ask for it. I have yet to see a translation association or organization condemn this. How come? I mean, that's pretty much it. And it's something that really bewilders me still now. And I frankly, I don't get it. I don't think it should be allowed. I think it should be at least condemned by all the agencies. And so anyway, well, feel free to check out the article. I'll link to it down below where you can see specific diagrams showing the specific repetitions and the percentage being paid for these types of matches, fuzzy matches, etc., etc. And let me know what you think. I'm really curious to see what you think, what you feel, if this is right, maybe I'm missing something, and or if you agree with me and think this is incorrect and it should be, condemned by, I don't know, some association out there or something. Because I'm a member of the ATA, I've never heard them say anything about it, and I get a lot of literature from other associations around. I've never heard anyone say anything about this. Could it be that a lot of them run their own translation agencies? I don't know. I mean, look, I run my own translation agency and I still think it's outrageous, but there you go. Anyway, please do check out the article. I'd like to get other people's input on the article itself. So check out the link and, let me know any thoughts you have. I'm really curious to see and hear. Once again, once again, nothing. That's pretty much it. But I look forward to seeing what your comments are and what you think about this. So that's pretty much it. And I will talk to you next time. Okay, thanks. Bye. Savedum.